I'm in Rancho Palos Verdes today to explore some possibly hidden sea caves here at Flat Rock Point. I'm joined by Brandon.
What's happening, people?
And the funny thing about Brandon is I watched one of his videos inspired me to do Stoddard Canyon Falls, guys. I saw this crazy guy do that natural slide a million years ago, and I saw that and I was like, you know what? That seems like a great idea. So I know if you guys have seen my most recent video, the 8 thrilling natural water slides of California, that Stoddard Canyon Falls, that was one of the first ones that I did here in SoCal, inspired by this man.
That's a gnarly slide too, man.
For sure, it's like a straight drop. It looked like super dry when you did it too.
Yeah, it was crazy.
And
scratched up my back and everything, but all worth it.
That guy's yelling. He's a fan. Anyway, check out his channel, Ska Day Films, right?
Yeah, you got it, brother. Thank you.
And we're hoping to find some hidden sea caves down here at Flat Rock Point. I scoped it out on Google Earth, and it looked like there was some sea caves, but you know, sometimes you get distortions in the satellite imagery. So Brandon's a local, so he's gonna show me around. He doesn't know of any sea caves, but hey, maybe we'll find some hidden spots that even the local didn't know about. What do you think?
I think let's do it, man.
Cool.
Time for an adventure.
You can tell that these are old volcanic rock formations. So this is igneous, right? So at one point, this was lava, and it hardened probably either through a lava flow or an eruption right here on the ocean, and it hardened into this igneous rock. And of course, being in the Ring of Fire, right near the San Andreas Fault, you know, all this volcanic tectonic activity, you're gonna get this hardened, igneous, former lava flow, especially near the water where it cooled down and hardened. Usually that means we're gonna see some sort of cave or lava tube, but so far, no good. I think you lied to me, Google Earth. How dare you? It's the first time. Well, it's not the first time, but ooh, some nice waves moving in. The water is beautiful. These rocks are pretty cool. Well, so far the closest thing we've come to a sea cave is right here. If nothing else, at least it provides me a little cover from the waves and the wind to get some great audio. Unfortunately, I don't really have anything to say. This is cool. The rocks are super grippy, even though they're a little wet, because, you know, with that igneous former volcanic lava flow, it's real jagged and grippy, so that's nice. I haven't busted my ass and fallen in yet, so that's always a plus. I mean, you guys know how I roll usually. So what do you think, man? Are you disappointed that there's no sea cave?
A little bit disappointed, but not discouraged. I think we gotta keep going just a little bit further.
Just gotta keep going, right?
Yeah, but let's go for it.
Spoken like a true adventurer.
Get my feet wet, man.
Guys, unfortunately out here at Flat Point, do not be fooled by Google Earth, Google Maps. There are no sea caves. There are a few little indentations which might have been sea caves at one point, but they're definitely filled in with rocks. I dragged Brandon out here for nothing. His only entertainment was watching me almost crash and lose the drone.
It was hilarious.
But any words of wisdom in terms of like, a lot of people ask me like, how do I find cool spots or how do I be more adventurous? What are your thoughts on that? Any tips on that?
Just be brave and don't be afraid to screw up, because sometimes, look, you'll get into a deep spot but you won't find what you're looking for. Sometimes you'll get lost, your Google Maps is gonna cut out. Just you know, get out safely. Always bring a buddy if you can, and you know, enjoy it, man. It's not a total loss. We're enjoying this awesome sunset. The waves are awesome, man. Springtime just came around, so nothing to complain about here, man. Except for that one lady who might complain about our drone.
The adventure is in not knowing. The most important thing is getting out there, exploring, and looking for yourself. I'm super grateful that Brandon could meet up with me today. Definitely check out his channel, Ska Day Films. In the meantime, guys, get out there, find your adventure, and be infamous. Well, the closest thing we found to a sea cave so far, this storm drain. Wow, normally I would like shimmy my way up there, but it's like straight up to the street above.
I bet you can fit.
I probably could, but not with the drone on my back.
Give me the drone.
Yeah? Think so? That's one of those things my wife will kill me if I do, I think. But she's not here now, is she? No.
Infamous.